Alright, so getting started, the first thing I'm going to do is locate my internal scripts location. So that's going to involve me going into my C drive. Before that, I did, under options, choose to show hidden files just in case. And we're going to go under users, go under my user, go under AppData, go under roaming, go under Blender Foundation, Blender, 2.80, scripts, add-ons. And if this path isn't there, you'll have to create it. So we will just drag the contents of the zip into the folder. As you can see, these are my only two add-ons, and we'll also go back to the 2.80 and delete the config, which it appears I've already deleted my config folder and zipped it so I can get it back afterwards. And we'll just pop open Blender. Of course, Blender's going to open full power and max screen because there is no configuration now. In fact, deleting the configuration is an easy way to bring things back to some sort of sanity when it comes to getting these installations done. So here with the default load screen, we're going to choose left and search and save new settings. And that screen will only come up if your config folder isn't present. So we'll click the Blender logo, go under preferences, and we'll bring down the preferences, and we'll just enable Boxcutter hard ops. And under navigation, we'll turn off auto perspective. And under themes and 3D view, we will increase our vertex size, just something I like to do. And the preferences now autosave when you close. So if I close this, now we are good to go. I'll click on the Boxcutter logo, and you see that there's no top bar. And that is because you have to right click right here and choose Show Tool Settings. And now the top bar is back. So from here, we can choose Save Startup File, and we're good to go. In fact, I'll press Control Spacebar to full screen, Alt V to set it to EVHQ, and then we will save our startup file. And so I just open Blender, I'm ready to cut. In fact, let's close Blender, open it back up again, open on the wrong monitor. Blender still needs to deal with that. But we can see just from the setup here that it is installed and is working and is already part of my startup scene. So I can just get in here, press D, bring up the D menu because I'm already in Boxcutter mode, draw with Ngon, and get to work. So with that, that covers the installation. I do want to add that if you are having any issues with the installation, of course, delete your config folder. And under scripts, if your add-ons folder isn't here, make sure to create that as well. In fact, here's my full add-on path here. After the username, it doesn't really matter. But with that, that should be a comprehensive introduction to how to set up both hard ops and Boxcutter with the current 2.8, as well as enabling the top bar. So with that, we'll wrap up this video, and I'll see you guys next time.